Your bestseller just sold out. Get Inventory IQ. It forecasts exactly when to reorder. See every product sorted by urgency. Install free and never go dark.
Your bestseller just sold out. The ad money is spent, the customers came and left. Meanwhile, the stock you overordered sits in boxes, tying up your cash. Guesswork cost you twice. Inventory IQ watches your sales and answers one question: what to reorder, how much, and by when. It forecasts the exact day each product will run out before it happens. Then it works backwards, past your supplier's lead time, to the last safe day to order. Every number explains itself. Your dashboard sorts every product by urgency. Red means order today. And the dead stock view shows the cash sleeping on your shelves. Every sale updates it instantly. Every night it retunes to your store. Every Monday, your reorder list lands in your inbox. When it's time to buy, export a ready-made purchase order, one click per supplier. Install free and see your first forecasts 1 minute later. Inventory IQ never let your bestseller go dark.